शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं. I wanted to ask one question. I haven't taken a Sri Vidya Sadhana Diksha and I have received Mata Bagalamukhi Diksha recently from Guruji. Is it possible for me to get self-realization and liberation just by worshipping Bagalamukhi form of the Divine Mother, or do I have to apply for Sri Vidya Diksha later at some point in my life? Sri Vidya is a main, the sadhana for self-realization. When you attend our Dasma Vidya workshop, you will understand what is the main importance of the each deity. There we understand to experience the Turyatayata, Atma Vidya, Brahma Vidya. So self-relation, God relation, we need to worship Lalitambika. So plan in your future for Sri Vidya sadhana that can be helpful to you. Shivoham, Shivoham, Shivoham.